Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 opening range breakout strategy here on Friday, March 4th, 2022. And we're trading the ES, YM, and NQ with this strategy. Usually we trade it each day and we target $500 gain on each futures for a total of over $1,500 in profit. Now the software is just around $1,300, and as you see, in practically one day it'll pay for itself if you're trading 3 contracts or 2 contracts and you do what we do. So basically here we're trading the ES on 3 contracts. So as you see, what we're doing here is trading the ES on March 4th, 2022, and we're trading our typical 3 contracts that we trade each day, and the software identifies the opening range breakout area by the highs and lows here. Red for weakness, blue for breakout. And the NQ or the ES was trading down on this day, and it sold off in practically one bar here. This is a 2-minute chart, and we typically go for a $500 or $600 goal, and it hit it on this day and then sold off a little more. But our goal is to be a one and done with each of these futures for about $500 or $600 profit, and that's up to you if you want to go for more. So that's our one and done trade, and as you see here, it got short to 3 contracts and then hit its targets. It got short at the 16, out at 1250 and 1175 to hit the daily max gain. It printed it on the chart there, and the trade is done. Another successful trade with the Trading123 opening range breakout strategy. So our next trade we're running, and you see these trades will all happen within the first 15-20 minutes of trading, and it's totally hands-free trading. Set it and forget it, and it does everything for you. So here's our next trade in the NQ. In this one we had a $600 goal, and basically price started to sell off, and again a weakness. It got weak really quick. Sold off on these 3 contracts, and $637 profit minus commission. Our goal is hit, and it's a one and done in the NQ. Once again, another profitable trade. That's how powerful this strategy is. And then we move on to the YM, which we've been trading each day. And the YM wasn't really particularly weak on this day, and as you see, it sold off and then started to reverse. It hit our first 2 contracts, and then it started to reverse once it went down to this fib level. So that's the fib levels identify support, resistance, and turning points, and this is why we have them on the chart. And basically it went down to within a few ticks of the fib level and then reversed and stopped us out. And on this trade we end up getting $327 profit. So it will not make any other trades because it was broke the low. And so if you wanted to make another trade with this strategy, you'd have to reset it and do another trade. So that's why we call it a one and done. Usually you will hit your goal, like I said, in weak or strong markets, like the other 2 trades we did here. In the ES, hitting our goal was no problem. In fact, we actually missed out on some profits. And the NQ sold off nicely. So I was a bit surprised that the YM bounced. So our first trade in the ES was 587 plus 600. That's $37. That's $1,200 profit plus 327, about 1,500. Nice day's profit and would have paid for the strategy in 1 day of trading if you trade the 3 futures like we're doing, and you can even trade more if you want. You can trade 4 or 5. You can add the CL, you can add the RTY, or you can just trade 1. So it's totally up to you. Like I said, this is a fully automated strategy, and you set the breakout times to trade, how many contracts you want to trade, your profit goal, your loss goal, your stop, and it's off and running, does everything for you. And this is the most easiest strategy, I would say, to use in trading. For the price, you're getting a great piece of software. It's a third of the cost of the Autotrader. So right there, you can put it to work and start trading and having trades like us. And you own it for a lifetime, one-time fee, no other charges for the software, no monthly fees, one-time fee, and you own it with a lifetime of free upgrades. So this is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, good luck with your trading. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on social media on Facebook and Twitter.